Hello and welcome, this is Safa. In this video, we'll explore how to separate objects from the background using different segmentation techniques like thresholding and watershed. Segmentation is about dividing an image into parts that make sense like objects or regions. It's the foundation for object detection and recognition. MATLAB supports multiple ways to segment an image. We'll try simple thresholding, watershed segmentation, and a region-growing approach. And let's move to MATLAB and try this method one by one. Okay, here, first we start with a grayscale version of the coin.png. Then here we apply global thresholding using imbinarize here, which works well for clear contrast. Next, we compute the gradient magnitude and apply the watershed here function. It treats the image like a topographic map where the right is a separated object. Label and display. And here, finally, we use an active contour model for region-based segmentation, which evolves the boundary of the object iteratively and compare all three methods to see how each one behaves differently. And you can see, okay, just run. Okay, figure 1, original grayscale image. Number 2, global thresholding. And 3, watershed segmentation. And 4, region-based segmentation. Okay, and finally you can see all three methods. Okay, and we've learned the basic segmentation techniques. Okay, in the next video we'll use this method to detect and classify simple shapes in an image. Thanks for watching.